In this video, let's talk about how to add almost free e-signatures directly into your Bubble app. So here we are at Bubble. I'm logged in. I'm looking at my sample project here, and I'm going to go over to plugins. We're going to hit add plugin, look for Firma.dev, and then we can install the plugin directly from there. Firma.dev will allow you to send e-signatures for a couple cents each with no other fees. Totally different than any other e-signature API provider because we just provide an open API that's super cheap and easy to use. So once you install that, it's going to ask you for some API keys here. So an API key and an API test key or developer key. So you'll need a Firma account, which is free. Once you create one, you'll notice that when you log in right from your dashboard, you have a live API key and a test API key. I don't recommend to use these. These are your global keys. So this live API key here can access everything on your account. Generally, you're going to want to use a Workspace key. And the difference is that when you create these workspaces, and you can have as many workspaces as you want, when you create these workspaces, you will also get an API key and a test key for each workspace, and they're scoped for that workspace. And so workspaces are generally used like for each one of your customers. They could be different departments, things like that. But they help keep things vertically separated within your organization. So if you take just straight up from here the live API key, you can copy it back to your Bubble app, and then copy this, and also back to your Bubble app. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And once you have that, then you can continue with the regular Bubble.io app building process, and then you'll have nearly free e-signatures at just a couple cents each built into your Bubble app. If you need any support, please don't hesitate to email us, support@firma.dev. Thanks.